What's up guys, Alex here again. Now last week we took you through a pond builder's project profile and showed you how you can turn that into a YouTube video. Today I'm going to take you through a remodeling contractor's video and show you how you can use that into a 60-second ad video. I'm going to show you what to focus on, how you can go about it, and how just giving them enough information can make them want to watch more and send them to a promotional offer or the full-length YouTube video. So let's hop in and let me show you the video.
We just want to show you a new building that we did, new construction here in East Lake, Atlanta. Check it out.
So right off the bat, this is a house that Victor remodeled, the entire house, indoor and out. So he has been trying to sell this house for a little over a year, I think, at the time. This was filmed back in May of 2019, and they're having trouble. This house, as you can see, it's beautiful. The remodel job was great, but couldn't sell it for some reason. So this video was basically made to kind of show off this amazing transformation this house went through and show off its important features to potential buyers. So our target audience is potential buyers in the East Lake, Atlanta region.
This kitchen, complete renovation. One of the biggest challenges that we're facing here was the pantry, because as you see, it's an open concept. We put some lining, LED lining on the bottom that actually can change colors, can have different patterns, to try to do something different.
Let's stop right there. So as you saw in the first clip of this video, it showed the curbside appeal from the house. Now, something I regret as the shooter of this video, I should have backed up and actually got it from a further view besides just probably 3 feet off the front step. But nevertheless, you still get that curbside appeal, which is the first impression that you're going to do when you're buying a house as a prospective home buyer. Also, we go right to the kitchen. If there's 3 things I know about buying a house, it's the curbside appeal, the kitchen, and the bathroom that sell the house. So when we only have 60 seconds to kind of hammer home a point or sell a house, you really want to focus on those 3 things. And right off the bat, we go with the kitchen, and Victor explains the challenge they faced remodeling quickly, how it was an open concept, so a lot of things you couldn't really do with an open concept. They added an island and put LED lights in the island, which is something different, unique, and it's a big selling point for someone who wants a different feel to their house.
All this that you see here is available for anyone. The idea is it's basically for her. You have like a waterfall coming, spilling on the floor and actually spilling out.
So right there we go to the master bathroom, because that is the most important bathroom of the house. That's where the homeowners, 95% of the time, that's their bathroom. And that's probably where most of the luxury and the customization comes in when you're remodeling a house. A rain shower head, very unique characteristic to the bathroom. The waterfall display with the tile, super unique. I've never seen that before. As he'll explain in this video a little bit more, some more features, but calling out some features that people want that you can't get with every house, which makes this house unique.
Now, as you see on the back, we have a huge niche. You can put all the shampoos and all that, and you're not able to see it because it's on this side. This bathroom to be really elegant, but at the same time, you have everything that you need.
And then right there at the end, the logo, the number, the website. Simple call to action. At the time, they were running a promotional offer, so our main goal was to send them either to call Victor or go to his website and possibly inquire on remodeling a bathroom or your home as well. Not necessarily selling this house, but this video is 60 seconds long. Very quick, and we've shown the kitchen and the master bathroom, the 2 most important pieces of the house. So a big myth with ad videos is that they have to be super long. You need to get everything out that you can so people want to buy and move on to the next step of where you're trying to send them. But actually, you can make it just 60 seconds and it's compatible with every platform online. You just need to include just enough that people want to go to the next step to find you. So at the end of the ad video, we included the website and the phone number. At the time we were running this promotion, we included a link to the YouTube video that has the longer version of the full house, which I'm going to show you right here. Now this video is basically a longer version of what the ad was. We cut out some pieces, added some new things in. This is going to be Victor explaining the house in detail. And one thing I want you to watch as you watch this ad video, because I'll let it play for a little bit. Every room he goes into, he points out 2 to 3 unique characteristics of the room that aren't common to the regular cookie cutter builders that build new houses nowadays. This is unique to MOG Design and MOG Improvement Services.
Renovation, one of the biggest challenges that we're facing here was the pantry, because as you see, it's an open concept. We found that corner, the other corner for the fridge, and we built everything in between. We did a different kind of floor with the tile, with a really specific pattern. We custom made an island. The regular island usually is not that long, but in this one, as you see, was an open space, and we want to enclose that as a part of the kitchen. We put some lining, LED lining on the bottom that actually can change colors, can have different patterns, to try to do something different. We have a wine cooler, we have a double sink. I mean, we want to provide all the features that you can need on a kitchen in order to make it really functional.
So right there, he went through the entire kitchen showing the uniqueness of it. They had to build an island from scratch. They have a double sink, a wine cooler, the tile. You know, tile, backsplash, countertops, those are important features in a home. So he points that out, knowing that that's what people are going to want to see, and that's what he can provide to them.
You have a really comfortable shower. You're going to have one dedicated area for the...
Now, as he goes to the master bathroom, as we said in the ad video, we focused on the design of the shower tile and the shower head. In here, he's gonna focus on every aspect. The actual glass of the shower. He'll go more in depth of the design, the sink. Even the toilet is strategically placed in this bathroom. That's how custom you could get with MOG, and he proves that in this video.
Vanities, and you want to have a toilet area that, even though it's not enclosed, as you see, is private enough, because if you're on this area of the bathroom, basically whoever is using the commode.
Commode, that's fancy for toilet.
All this that you see here is available for anyone. The magic comes when you combine them. I want this, I want this accent, I want these colors. When everything comes together, it's actually when the costume thing comes. The thing is, most of these you don't see it on the stock, on the shelf, on Home Depot or this kind of stuff, because they don't sell much. Even though they look really fancy, they're not. They're really competitive. A head shower that is going to change with the temperature of the water. The idea is it's basically for her. You have like a waterfall coming, spilling on the floor and actually spilling out. As you see on the back, we have a huge niche. You can put all the shampoos and all that, and you're not able to see it because it's on this side. This bathroom to be really elegant, but at the same time, you have everything that you need.
So this is a good place to stop, because you already see now the full kitchen and the full master bathroom. And you can see the real difference between the YouTube video and the ad video. The YouTube video is supposed to be the more in-depth version. Don't get too hung up on the details when you're shooting an ad video, because odds are you only have about 30 seconds to 60 seconds to get that person's attention anyway. And Victor still focused on the two main parts of this bathroom, which were the shower head and the tile design in the shower, when he did the ad video. But when we do the YouTube video, that's when he can actually explain the commode, the niche in the shower, why it's placed like that. Those details are secondary to the ad video's primary characteristics, the shower head and the tile design. So you have to pick and choose which was more important as the buyer, remove yourself as the designer, as the remodeler, and go with what's best. And that's also where I, an editor, can also help out, because I'm a third party. I'm acting as the home buyer and what I would want to see, and those are two of the features that I want to see. The commode, the toilet placement, not as important, but cool when he pointed it out to me. Next, he's going to show you a half bathroom, and you would think, why is he going to show the half bathroom? It's just going to be a toilet and a sink. Well, he's going to explain just why you want to see this half bathroom.
This is a half bathroom. Most of the people don't really care because it's a tiny in and out, but actually it's one of the most important because it's the one that everybody else are going to use.
See?
Besides the
Smart guy.
Stuff, the sink, the toilet, we want to have some cedar work on it. We're trying to use yellow lights in order to be more cozy about the effect that we have.
So the rest of this video is just Victor showing the hallways, the extra bedrooms, and the living room without any furniture. It really doesn't do much. After we went live with this video on YouTube and showed the 60-second ad on Facebook and Instagram, I want to say within the next 6 weeks, this house was sold. Now, I'm not saying directly that this video was the cause for it, but it certainly didn't hurt that Victor went through and showed off the house to this light. Now, if we went back and redid this video, I would include more before pictures to show the drastic change. You can see this house is beautiful, very modern. MOG Design, MOG Improvement Services did a fantastic job remodeling this house. but you really can't get that emotion of how bad it looked before without before pictures. We had 0 in the video. So including the before pictures is just as important as showing the after. And I think that would have hammered home the ad video and the YouTube video even more if we could show that destruction in this video. So guys, I hope that shows how important shooting video is. You don't have to be perfect, but this video literally helped Victor sell a house. That's how important video can be. Show off your work, especially if you're a remodeling contractor. The change is so drastic. By not taking pictures, by not shooting video, you're just doing yourself a disservice. So please guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, comment below, more video walkthroughs, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week on the Contractor Growth Network.